You know it, folks. It is Epic Ride 2014. Here we go. Hey y'all, we're still on day 2, tank 2. Couldn't find any restaurants up here for about 60 miles I've been wanting to eat, so stopped this rest area and put out some popcorn and a Pepsi. Lunch at 4,120 feet. Not too shabby. Good job, Shady. Rearranged all my crap. A little less Sanford and Son now. A little more secure. What y'all say we get to where we're going, or we try to get to where we're going? I think it's just started again. Thank you, Shady. Let's get down the road. Hey, and there's 3G up here. 4,120 feet. Middle of nowhere. Can't find a restaurant for nothing. There's 3G. So somewhere down there is a city or a town. I'm sure of it. Oh no. My face shield for 2 seconds got something in my eye. What's up with that? Seen a lot of bikes going up through here. And quite a few cars passed me while I was eating there. Yet I don't see anybody where I'm going, so we all going the same speed. Never really catch up with each other. Still chilly as all get out though. Awesome views. Just awesome. Two o'clock in the afternoon. I don't even know where I am. No U-turn. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Where would you ever turn around? The wave. I know Dave touched on this in his vlog that he did for us. The motorcycle wave. It really doesn't matter what kind of motorcycle you're riding. As long as you're riding a motorcycle, we wave at each other. Because no matter what kind of motorcycle we're riding, we all feel the same dangers and thrills and I don't want to say hardships, but if you used to ride in a car your whole life, there are new things to ride a motorcycle, like the cold and the wind and the rain and all, especially when you're devoting yourself to a trip like this. So that wave is pretty much universal among motorcyclists. And then don't worry if they don't wave at you. If you're on a motorcycle and they don't wave back, it's not because they hate you. It's mostly because there's something going on in their lane of traffic, or the curve they're going around, or something. Or maybe they're using the clutch and the throttle at the same time. They just can't wave. Whatever. Sometimes it's not possible to wave. Nod your head. Nod your head all the time. Yeah. Oh, I got headlights. Time to step up my game. Especially when a tunnel has a curve and you can't see the curve. That's the thing. Man, it's cold in that tunnel. I'm not seeing them headlights. I guess I lost them. I might have fooled a fool going this way. Seems that way. Another tunnel. Another tunnel. Big Witch Tunnel. That's awesome, I think. Baby, what you got? Elevation 4150. Definitely getting warmer down here. This is good. Warmer, not warm by any means, but warmer, yes. 80 miles. Time to start looking for a gas. Time to find tank 3.